What's up guys, another brand new video here on the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can set up this beautiful home screen setup on any smartphone devices. So let's get started, but before that please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more awesome stuff like this. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you the apps that are required to make this home screen setup. So I'm here using the Nova Launcher free version because there are so much of advantages in free version also. And here for the icons I'm using NXP icon pack, but you will also get the free down link in the description, so please don't forget to check that out. And here I'm using 3 widgets from Outline KWGT and Instinct KWGT. So let me show you that how you can set up these and the home screen. Guys, the icon position totally depends on you, and here I'm using the Google search bar widget from the Outline KWGT widget number 32. The top widget is from the Outline KWGT number 143. Guys, the center one widget is from the Instinct KWGT pack, which is numbered as 49. Guys, there is some edits in this middle one widget number 49. So what you have to do is delete this timing and this Google search bar. So what you have to do is go to the overlap group. And guys, go to the first one, overlap group. Now click on the search bar. Now you have to delete it from this button. Now go back, and here you can see the last overlap group. Now select the text, only the text you have to select. Now delete it from this button again. Now you can see this is the overall widget that I have used in this video. That's all about this video guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and guys please subscribe to the channel. And this is Tech Spotlight signing out.